Are so slow. I'm loving it. Hopefully I can go home soon. Oh jeez, it's this guy again. Sorry, gotta go. 1 brick, 2 brick, 3 brick, 4 brick. Thanks, my son. Hey, dude, what do you think this is? A kick the can program? Stop that. Are you going to buy anything or what? Stop it. Are you going to buy anything or what? I can just as well call the police. I have my cell phone with me. Little girl. Yum. Are you going to buy anything or what? Thank you. What would that be? 25. What? Just kind of. Those have bolts on it. What would that be? 25 cents. Thank you. What are you looking at? I'm just waiting. It's like a... Just put it in the 25-cent slot.
25.